Understanding Eyebrow Waxing, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and practical topic in the world of beauty and self-care: eyebrow waxing. Whether you're at a salon or doing it yourself, understanding this term is crucial for navigating English conversations about grooming. So, let's explore what eyebrow waxing really means and why it's so popular. Eyebrow waxing is a popular beauty treatment involving the removal of excess hair from around the eyebrows. It's a form of hair removal where warm wax is applied to the unwanted hair, a strip is placed on top, and then it's quickly pulled off, taking the hair with it. This method is known for providing a clean, defined shape to the eyebrows, which is why it's a preferred choice for many. In this section, let's walk through the step-by-step process of eyebrow waxing. 1. Preparation. The skin around the eyebrows is cleaned, and a pre-waxing oil or powder may be applied. 2. Wax application. Warm wax is carefully applied in the direction of hair growth. 3. Hair removal. A strip is placed over the wax and pressed down. It's then quickly removed in the opposite direction of hair growth, pulling out the hair from the roots. 4. Aftercare. Any remaining wax is removed, and a soothing lotion or oil is applied to the area. Eyebrow waxing isn't just about removing unwanted hair, it has other benefits too. Long-lasting results. Hair takes longer to grow back compared to shaving. Precision. It allows for shaping the eyebrows more accurately. Smoother skin. It removes dead skin cells along with hair. However, it's important to be aware of certain considerations. Pain and sensitivity. The process can be painful, especially for first-timers. Skin reactions. Some may experience redness or irritation. Professional assistance is recommended for the best results. For those interested in trying eyebrow waxing at home, here are some handy tips. Choose the right wax kit suitable for eyebrow waxing. Practice caution with the temperature of the wax. Follow the instructions carefully. Start with small areas to gain confidence. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and discuss eyebrow waxing more confidently in English. Remember, whether you're doing it yourself or getting it done professionally, knowing about this beauty treatment can be really useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.